Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today I have this look here, this super glam look, glowy look. I'm back with makeup tutorials. From now I'm starting to film makeup tutorials again and I really missed it. Hope you guys missed it too, because I will spam you guys with makeup tutorials. So hope you're going to love it. Please don't forget to subscribe and then let's continue the tutorial. You guys have no idea how much I missed makeup. I haven't filmed a makeup tutorial, I think, in a month. So I'm really excited to be back with makeup tutorials. Anyways, I'm going to start off with this palette here. It's by NYX, the Love Lust Disco palette. This is what the palette looks like. But I would say, like, girls, get your hands on this palette because it just has the colors, just the colors that you just need. So I'm first going into this dark brown shadow and I'm going to create the crease. And then I'm going into this color here, and with that I'm going to blend above this crease line and I'm going to blend the colors together. And now I'm going into this brown, really warm brown color, and I'm going to warm up the crease and blend everything together with this one. So what do you guys think of the Desi or the Perkins fertility series? Whoa. I've been crying like a baby. I really recommend you guys to watch it if you haven't. But I've been following Desi almost like, I think since the moment she started on YouTube. I'm just so happy for them. And it's just like, you know, even though I don't know them in real life, I feel like I am as happy as I would be for them as I would be for my best friend or my family. So I'm just so happy for them. Now I'm going back in with this color here. I'm just going to deepen that crease for the last time. So I'm still not tweezing my brows. I think I haven't tweezed my brows since 5 or 6 months now. But they still keep growing and growing, and I feel like my brows are going to be really thick. So it's starting to be a little bit hard to not tweeze them. Of course right now they look clean, but without cleaning them up with concealer, they look really messy, not clean, and I don't like the look of that. Now I'm going to clean up the lid a little bit. You can use concealer. I don't have a eye base from the drugstore. What I'm using is the P. Louise base in color number 2. And I'm going to clean up the lid with this. I really think that the trick of getting a nice cut crease is just do not work too fast. Just work careful and slow. Now I'm going to be setting it with this shadow here. Now I'm going back into this brown color here. I'm going to just blend it on the outer part of my eyelid. Then the darker brown color, and I'm going to deepen that even more. So what do you guys think of quarantine? Do you think it's going to continue for longer, or that everything is going to be normal again? What do you guys think right now? I really feel like we are starting to see the end of it. I really hope so, inshallah, because I can't handle this anymore. And what do you guys think of the combination of Ramadan and quarantine, Corona? How did you guys experience that? Really wondering, this was my 3rd Ramadan, but the first 2 were a really different experience as this one. I really miss going to the mosque and being together and everything. Going out to eat somewhere, all of that. I really miss that this Ramadan, but especially going to the mosque. And blending that out with the excess product of that warm brown shadow. Also going in with that dark brown color, and I'm going to just create a soft eyeliner. Going in with some glitter liner by NYX, and I'm just going to make a line underneath my crease. You can also just go for this eye look, but with this glitter liner, it's just really for a party. So there's only one thing that is not drugstore in this video, and that's lashes. I can't just find good, thick, or how you call that, lashes looking like these in the drugstore, or cheap lashes. I cannot find them. So I'm going to apply these Miami Flare, I think. Miami Flare. No, just Miami lashes by Lilly Lashes. Now on to the face. For primer, I'm going to use the NYX Total Control Drop Primer. Really nice primer. It's a really good base also for dry foundations. Well, dry foundations, I mean like... So what I mean is like really matte foundations. But also for glowy or dewy foundations. This one is one of my favorite primers. I just can't wait till the gym is open and my taekwondo starts. I don't know when the gym is going to open, but I do know that taekwondo, my club, will start training again, I think from next week, but then outside. So I'm really excited for that. But I also need my gym, do all of that, you know. I'm really motivated after this quarantine and Ramadan and everything, not exercising and everything. I feel like I'm going to explode. I really feel like I'm going to go like a beast. Training like a beast. Seriously, watch me. Just kidding. Yeah, no, not kidding. I'm not kidding actually. I'm for real. For foundation, the Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation. One of my favorite foundations. You guys need to get your hands on this foundation. This is just bomb. And I'm gonna show you right now why I say that. Because it's really covering. With matte foundations, they are sometimes just too matte. They are just too powdery. And with this foundation, you don't have that. This foundation is just what you need. And also, it stays on all day. I also really recommend it for people with oily skin. Do you guys see how much that covered? I do have to admit that doing your makeup with a white, like a white scarf, is not the easiest thing. And now I've heard many good things of the Can't Stay Won't Stay concealer by NYX. I bought it yesterday, so I'm gonna try it right now. The thing right now is that if you want to buy makeup, you're not allowed to test it on your hand. So I feel like this one is just a little bit too yellow. So I'm gonna be using another color with this, but I do want to see how this concealer performs. Yeah, really nice concealer. I do have to add some brightness because unfortunately I bought it in I think one shade too dark, so just adding a little bit of a bright concealer. Now it's time to bronze the face. I'm going to go in with the Brilliance bronzer Golden Gal. Golden Gal. This is a really nice color that you guys need. Not too warm, not too cool, just in between. And I'm going to bronze the face. And then some blush. I'm going in with this orangey blush, which has a kind of like a gold glow in it. Yeah, look at that glow already. And now I'm going to highlight with this Morphe highlighting, and I'm going to highlight my face with this highlighter. Do you see how good that highlighter is in this palette? Look at that glow. I also always need a highlighted forehead because that just gives that really dewy, glowy look. Wow. Whoa. I'm shook right now. And I'm going to highlight my nose and my cupid's bow. And of course my inner corners. And now I'm going to set the face because we really need to set the face. This looks disgusting, kind of. I'm going to use the Morphe Bake Set Translucent Powder. And make sure there are no creases, because you don't want to set them. And now I'm going to spray the Dewy Finish Spray by NYX. Really love the spray. Also the matte one. I'm going to just use the excess of this brown shadow on this brush underneath my eyes. I don't really like a lot of eyeshadow underneath my eyes. I feel like really closing my eyes, making them smaller. It's not doing my eyes really good. And then a little bit of that warm brown shadow underneath my eyes. Some mascara underneath my eyes. Went to the NYX store, by the way, yesterday, so I got me again some lip liners and lip glosses, but the Lingerie lip glosses I really recommend, and the suede lip liners, but I see that this one is not suede or suede. Anyways, this one is in the color Nude Truffle. I'm going to line my lips with this. And then the Lingerie lip gloss in Butter. And that's it for this 8 makeup tutorial. I think that sounded better. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm so excited to be back with makeup tutorials. Hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. Please like this video if you did. Make sure you don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss out on all my new posts, everything that I'm going to post, like a lot of videos. But I do really want to thank you guys for always your support. And I want to wish you all a wonderful day, and I will see you guys in the next one.